So, I know you're busy. Maybe you're juggling work, family, friends, and your personal life like a pro. But here's the thing, when do you find the time to actually work on your fitness? Tough, right? Well, today, we're diving into something that's going to be a game changer for you. HIIT workouts. Yep, you heard me right. But before you go, I can't do high-intensity stuff, I'm not a pro athlete, trust me, stick with me, and I'll show you why HIIT is not just for gym junkies. And trust me, you don't need a ton of time or fancy equipment to make it work. Stay with me here, because by the end of this video, you'll have the blueprint for quick, effective, and results-driven workouts that you can do anywhere, whether it's at home, on your lunch break, or even during the kids' nap time. Plus, I'll share the secret sauce to getting the most out of these workouts, and trust me, it's going to surprise you. So, don't even think about clicking away, I've got a little fitness magic coming your way. Alright, before we get into the workout, let's talk about why HIIT is such a big deal. So, HIIT stands for High Intensity Interval Training. It's like the express lane of fitness. You know how you always wish there was a faster way to get from A to B? HIIT is that shortcut. Now, I know, you're probably thinking, well, what's the catch? Here's the fun part, it's scientifically proven to burn fat and improve cardiovascular health in less than half the time of traditional workouts. In fact, the American Heart Association says that HIIT can improve heart health, boost metabolism, and even help lower your risk of chronic conditions like diabetes. Now, that's some serious bang for your buck, don't you think? Okay, so let's get into the nitty-gritty. Let's say you're looking to burn fat, tone up, or get fitter. Good news, HIIT workouts are great for all of those things. Studies by the National Institutes of Health (NIH) show that HIIT not only burns more calories during the workout, but also increases the rate at which your body burns calories even after the workout is done. This is called afterburn or excess post-exercise oxygen consumption (EPOC). That's a fancy way of saying, your body keeps burning calories while you're sitting on the couch later. So while you're Netflix and chilling, your body is working hard to help you shed that fat. What you need for HIIT. So, you're probably thinking, okay, sounds good, but what do I need to get started? Well, here's the best part, you don't need a gym, fancy equipment, or even a ton of space. All you need is you and a little bit of energy. That's it. Sneakers, mat, though optional, and some willpower. If you've got that, you're golden. Alright, let's get to the good stuff. I promised you a workout, so here we go. Here's a quick and effective HIIT workout that'll take you just 20 minutes. And I promise, it's not one of those long, I'm dying by minute 8 routines. First up, jumping jacks. Now, these might seem basic, but trust me, they're a powerhouse move. Not only are you getting your heart rate up, but you're also activating your entire body. Your legs, arms, and core are all engaged. This is an excellent exercise to increase your cardiovascular endurance while improving your coordination. It's a great way to get your body moving and break a sweat. Next up, mountain climbers. These are amazing for building strength and endurance. Your core, shoulders, arms, and legs are all working together to drive your knees toward your chest. This move increases your heart rate and improves flexibility in your hips while strengthening your core, making it a perfect calorie burner and fat shredder. It also gives your upper body a great workout. Okay, now we're going low with squats. Bodyweight squats are fantastic for building lower body strength. This exercise targets your glutes, quads, and hamstrings, and it also works your core for stability. Plus, they can increase mobility in your hips and knees. If you're looking to tone those legs and glutes, squats are a must-have in your fitness routine. Now, burpees. Yes, I know, burpees sound like a fitness demon, but they're a total game changer. You're getting a total body workout with every rep. Burpees target your legs, chest, arms, and core all at once. They help with explosive power and improve strength while also boosting your metabolism. They're a calorie torching machine, and the best part? The more you do, the more you're improving your cardio endurance. You'll be burning fat and toning muscles without even realizing it. Now, here's the secret sauce of HIIT. It's not just about each individual move, it's about how they all work together to get you the maximum benefits in the shortest amount of time. The combination of cardio, jumping jacks, mountain climbers with strength moves, squats, burpees helps you improve both endurance and muscle tone, while keeping your heart rate up, which is key to burning fat and building strength. So, here's that secret I've been teasing. To really maximize the benefits of these exercises, you need to fuel your body properly. And I'm not talking about just grabbing anything from the kitchen. Proper pre- and post-workout nutrition plays a huge role in how your body responds to HIIT. Before you start, try something light like a banana with a scoop of peanut butter or a small handful of nuts. This will give you the energy you need to power through those mountain climbers and burpees. And after your workout? Grab some lean protein, like chicken or tofu, paired with healthy fats like avocado or nuts. This will help repair those muscles you just worked so hard. And trust me, your body will love you for it. Hydration is also key. Don't forget to drink water before, during, and after your workout. Alright, there you have it, a killer HIIT workout that only takes 20 minutes but delivers big-time results. I'm talking fat burning, muscle toning, and even better cardiovascular health, all packed into one efficient routine. So, no more excuses. You've got the time, you've got the knowledge, and now you've got the workout. All you need to do is hit play and get started. If you enjoyed this workout and want more quick routines that fit into your busy life, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with someone who needs this fitness magic in their life.